Here's Sherlock App. And here is how I used it. So the idea is that you can just scan some photo and then you can just find this person footprint on internet. So here I just see my search history. So I just screenshotted some YouTuber, and then I just took like a, you see this is a screenshot of the face I took, and then I see match in here. So then I can just see the match here: YouTube, Instagram, web, TikTok. So this is just what it found. These are the results. And then you see 95% match. In the top, you see the highest match possible. It found from YouTube. Then you can see Instagram, 94% match, websites, TikTok. So this is just an example. I just took a screenshot of some like an online influencers. And yes, it did found it across, 1, 2, 3, across like different websites and platforms quite easily. So yep, this app actually works. And you can try to find some people. You need to get coin one face scan. So you can see here is my invite code. You can just use my code and then just redeem it. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. So that's how you can use this.